I have this board that measures 24 by 8 inches, and I'm going to start by painting it using some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I just want to give it one good coat so that there is full coverage. And then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Next, I found these little heart ceramic dishes from Target. They were $1 each. They came in many different shapes, and I grabbed the heart shape, and I'm just going to sand them very lightly. They're already white. They had a little bit of scuffing on them of other colors, so I just took the sandpaper and lightly sanded them right off instead of repainting them white. But you can certainly paint these any color of your choice. And then I just want to remove all the sanding dust before moving to the next step. I have my Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear. This is just a really good top coat. And I'm going to give all 4 of my hearts one good coat of the 1 Hour Enamel Clear. And I'm using the matte finish. It also comes in a satin or a semi-gloss finish as well. Next, I have these crafting foil flakes. It's almost like a gold leaf, but it comes in many small pieces in this jar. I got them off Amazon, and I have several colors. They come in red, blue, purple, and this is the rose gold. And I'm going to put it on a plate, and to be honest, I've never worked with this before. It's almost like a gold leaf. I applied another thin layer of the 1 Hour Enamel just inside the heart, and then I just took the gold foil flakes, dropped them inside, and rubbed with my finger, and it adhered to the heart. Now, one thing I did learn while messing with these foil flakes is I feel like once you rub the foil, it doesn't adhere to your surface. So the best thing to do is sprinkle the foil flakes onto your surface, and then once they're on the surface, you're going to rub with your finger, and that's what's going to help adhere to your surface. So I did that to all 4 of my hearts. So here I'm just sprinkling the foil flakes on the inside, and once they are placed down, I'm taking my finger and rubbing the flakes in, and it just kind of gives this really pretty shimmer of rose gold. I do not want complete coverage. I just kind of want it scattered throughout the inside dish. You can take a paintbrush and just rub in any excess foil, and you don't want any loose pieces. I then took my Wise Owl Republic Red and my Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I mixed the two together to get this really pretty pink. And I'm going to use this on the outside edge of 2 of my hearts. And then on the other 2 hearts, I just did the Republic Red. And I'm just taking a very small art brush and just going around the outer edge of my heart. I have the letters XOXO, and I'm going to paint them with the Wise Owl black paint, and they just need one good coat. You can also spray paint them if that is easier for you. Once everything was fully dry, I'm then going to adhere the hearts to my board. Again, the board measured 24 by 8 inches. You can use any size board of your choice. I also think if I had a skinnier board, I could lay them down the board and kind of make it like a trinket tray. So I just placed each heart in the center, figured out the spacing of how I wanted this to lay, and then I'm going to adhere the hearts to my board using some E6000. This is a great industrial strength glue. And then I will place it down. And I went and did that to all 4 of the hearts. And then I will take my letters once those are dry, and I will place 1 letter inside each heart. And again, I'm using the E6000 to adhere those as well. And there we go. Now we just have this really fun XOXO sign using some of the gold foil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.